मेरे भरोसे को शर्मिंदा मत करना।
लंदन है दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा शहर।
Not true.
ना ये सड़क मुझसे मेरा नाम पूछती है। ये पूछती है कि चौधरी बलदेव सिंह कौन है।
Hallucinations disguised as deeper dialogues.
इनका भी कोई देश नहीं।
He just said he feels like he has no country.
अपने देश को, अपने पंजाब को।
But now he says apne Punjab. That means he does believe he is an Indian. Is there a tornado nearby? In all these years of diary writing, is this the first time mother and daughter are having this conversation? Tornadoes sure die a quick death in London.
ना देखी ना मिली, हर सपने देखने लग पड़ी।
That is the very definition of dreams. Fake jump. Fake dive. Why is this the first time Raj is hearing his father's views on this topic? Did his father keep his feelings about failing in school a secret just to test whether his son fails or not and thus succeeds in his eyes? I am confused.
तो बस ये है कि फिर कभी मत कहना कि तू अपनी पूरी जवानी जी चुका है।
The फिर मत कभी कहना dialogue.
मेरी अच्छी वाली बच्ची है तू।
Favoritism. At this point in time, the spot is clear. Now, after a couple of seconds, this happens. Sorcery of comedy magic can create objects from thin air. Who knew? Makings of a future rapist.
मुझे अकेली देखकर फ्लर्ट करने लगा।
That was harassment, not flirting.
He cordially invites you to a dinner and dance in Paris.
In Paris?
Coincidences. Also, in the spirit of saving time, let us consider this as a collective one for all the other coincidences in this film. Random strangers are allowed to go on stage cliche. Man handling the spotlight knows exactly who and where Raj is. Character is a skill but pretends not to have it for more dramatic effect cliche.
Thank you very much, Bon Jovi.
Okay.
Bon Jovi.
Smearing name of Bon Jovi. Wasting petrol for communication. Isolated targeted snowing. Few flakes of snow extinguishes fire. She can share a barn with him, but not a room. Maryada logic, I guess.
अभी बस निकलने में 15 मिनट बाकी हैं।
It looks like it would definitely take more than 50 minutes to go and come back from the church that far. But hey, let's go exploring. It's not like that we just missed the train for wandering around in first place. Someone prays while someone other stares in admiration cliche. Bus starts exactly at the time Raj takes his seat.
लेकिन अब लगता है जैसे कोई अनदेखा अनजाना चेहरा बादलों में से पुकार रहा है।
For Raj to use the exact phrases from her poem or song or whatever that she wrote, he must have read her diary. Who took this photo? Because in the video, I don't see anyone clicking photos. Blabbering for minutes before noticing someone else is also in the room. Fake smoke from smoke machine.
उनकी बेटी की शादी है ना, सब कुछ बेच के चले गए पंजाब।
They sold their shop, house and everything else in one night. Okay, sure. How do we know this is a bad guy? He has mean looking people walking behind him. Sound from that musical instrument whose name I don't know travels kilometers. But now I sure need to have one of those. Raj knew exactly how and where the horse was going to trip, how far Kuljit was going to get flung, whether his leg would get trapped in the noose or not. Fake roar thought to be a real one cliche. Also, there are no lions in Punjab. Shooting without looking cliche. Didn't Kuljit want to know who set up the trap? Who was on the other side of the pulley pulling him up? Well, you need to make some characters stupid just so that the audiences can be led towards stupidity. Salesman doesn't notice Raj.
Not only genius, you're indigenous.
Poor vocabulary.
क्योंकि इसी उंगली की नस सीधी दिल तक जाती है।
I am not a doctor, but that sounds a lot like sin. Karwa Chauth is 4 days after the full moon. Why is there a full moon? Why do people need to touch the person next to them and show them the thing that person is already seeing? Did no one else saw this?
जब मुझे भूख से चक्कर आ रहे थे,
When did she have real chakkars? Weren't they fake? This just shows how many precautions this two lovebirds take while meeting. Room's door is unlocked, the door leading to terrace is ajar by a distance no less than 2 foot, and they sit exactly at a position that perfectly aligns with the viewing angle if a person walks into the room. Bravo. Just bravo. Patriotism is a good thing, but running wild with it by showing that it instantaneously cures bullet wounds of birds is batshit crazy. The gods of winds sure do exist, and they sure are a party pooper.
फायदा उठाया है हमारे विश्वास का, हमारी शराफत का मजाक उड़ाया है तुमने।